Hi everyone, it's Chris, and if you stumbled upon this video, you probably have marble counters that look a little bit less than perfect. My wife and I just bought a place, and within a couple months we have managed to kind of destroy our counters. If you look at, you can see some dull spots on the marble where it's lost some of its shine. And I've been looking everywhere for products that can restore the marble shine and address some of these marks that we've acquired over the past couple months. And I was looking on Amazon and I stumbled on the marble and granite care products. I've only found this on Amazon. These are custom blended products, and today I'm going to test these out and see how effective it is in restoring and getting rid of some of these dull marble spots. What I'm going to be using today, this is just a daily cleaner, so I'm not going to be using that in this video. It does work pretty well, I've used it already. But I'm going to be using the Marble Gloss Restorer with a polishing pad. And then after I've done that, I'm going to seal it with this Marble Guard Protector. So stay tuned and we'll see how this works. Before I get started and start polishing the spot prep work, so I have a bunch of spots that are dull that I'm going to need to hit up. So I've taken painter's tape and halfway up left kind of like a brim, just because you are supposed to get the surface pretty wet when you're polishing it, and you don't want the water running off the side onto the floor or up underneath. It's just going to, if you have hardwood floors, it's going to screw up the finish of the hardwood floors. So best to just tape the edge, especially if you're doing a large area, to make cleanup a lot easier. So I've opened up the Marble and Granite Care Products Marble Gloss Restorer, put it on the spot, mixed in a little bit of water, and now I'm going to take my polishing pad and I'm just going to rub it into the spot. Directions say it's fine to go back and forth at about 200 strokes per minute. Let's do this for a couple more minutes and then wash it off and see how we've done. So I've finished polishing the spot, so I'm going to wipe some of this material off and see what it looks like and how well it's done. So I'm going to clean this up and check back in a couple minutes. So I've just finished wiping off the Marble Gloss Restorer with paper towel and a water bottle, and as you can see, I've had to hit the spot twice, but the dull spot is completely gone. And the original shine completely restored, as you can see from the reflection of the lighting. It looks awesome. So my personal opinion is a freaking plus on this. Awesome job, awesome product, awesome results.